Make a shared album. Go to your iPhone settings. In iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on apps. From this app list, you have to scroll down and tap on photos. Now enable this shared albums option first of all. And then go to your photos, scroll down, and here you will find albums and shared album. Just tap on shared album, select shared, and now tap on create and give here your new shared album name. To add photos and videos to your shared album, tap on add photos. Now you can go ahead and select multiple photos and videos, tap on add. Now to add participants to the shared album, just tap on invite and enter here the specific recipient's email address. You can add multiple, then tap on done. And now just tap on create. And that's it. You have successfully created a shared album. Now just open the shared album, tap on this plus icon to add more items, and your add date participants will be able to view these photos in this shared album.